Good morning, Course 1. We are on Lesson 91, which is found on page 474 and following. So today we're going to take a look at some geometric formulas. Nothing revolutionary new, just drilling down and making sure we got those formulas in mind as we are finding the perimeter and the area of different shapes. Specifically, we're going to be looking at square, rectangle, parallelogram, and triangle. So, in order to find, let's start with a square. In order to find the perimeter of a square, it's just this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, and all of these sides are the same length. So we could simply say, is a formula, the perimeter equals 4 times whatever the side is. So if the side was 2, it'd be 4 times 2. Would give you the perimeter. If the side was 10, it'd be 4 times 10 would give you the perimeter. And the area is length times width, or base times height. And since they're the same, the area equals whatever the side is squared. Because if this is 2, it would be 2 squared, 2 times 2. Or if this was 10, this would be 10 squared, 10 times 10. And that would give you the area of a square. Okay? Rectangles, slightly different. So if we got a rectangle here, rectangle, the perimeter is equal to 2 of these sides. So 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, the perimeter is 2 lengths and 2 widths. So if this was 4, it'd be 4 times 2. And if this was 3, it'd be 3 times 2. So 4 times 2 plus 3 times 2. And the area, the amount of space in between, which this is a 4 by 3, area equals the length times the width. So if this is 4 and this is 3, the area is 4 times 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? If I have a parallelogram, which a rectangle is a parallelogram, a square is a parallelogram, I realize that. But if we just have a little bit different shape, that's still a parallelogram, okay? In this case, the perimeter is found by taking 2 of the bases plus 2 of the sides. So the perimeter equals 2 bases plus 2 sides. And here's the base, so 2 of these and 2 of these. The area is simply the base times the height, and in this case the height is 3 and the base is from here to here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one would be 5 times 3, which is a total area of 15. Okay? And finally, we have a triangle. And a triangle, let's do this guy. A triangle, the perimeter is simply found by adding up all the sides. So the perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side. And if you want to do side 1, side 2, and side 3, you can do that as well. All right? Now, to find the area is found by taking the base times the height, but dividing that in half. So it's 1/2 base times height, or the area could also be written as base times the height divided by 2. Okay? So if we go ahead and look at practice letter A, it says write the formula for the area of a rectangle and then substitute 8 centimeters for the length and 5 centimeters for the width. Solve the equation and find the area of the rectangle. So first, write the formula for the area of a rectangle. That's right here. Area equals length times width. Okay? And then substitute 8 for the length and 5 for the width. So the area equals, and we're substituting 8 for the length and 5 for the width. Now remember, when the numbers are next to each other, that means multiply. So in this case, area equals 8 times 5, so the area of that particular rectangle would be 40 units squared. Okay, and actually I guess it's centimeters, so we'd have centimeters squared instead of units squared. All right, that's it. I'll let you get started. 1 to 30 even. Have fun.